Hello everyone, welcome back. This is my nude makeup look that I have used some of nude brown color on my face, mixing with nude pink color as for this video. And if you like this makeup look, please have to watch until the end. And firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mandy. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm just a normal user, same as you all. I almost do makeup every day, and I do makeup in the morning. And before makeup routine, I have apply morning skincare routine for my makeup base. And how about you all? This is my morning skincare routine. By firstly, I apply balancer, then eye serum on the eye area, following by lotion, and complete my face skincare by sun cream. And the last one is lip balm to moisture on my lip. Maybe some of you will be wonder that why I apply too much. Balancer, eye serum, lotion, then sun cream, then lip balm. Many steps to complete morning skincare routine. And let's not yet talk about makeup routine, just only morning skincare routine. For my experience, for my skin condition, when I apply only lotion or I apply only cream, then continue to sun cream, or I don't apply anything, just strictly apply sun cream. And I feel that the products are not absorbed well into my face. This is my experience. Anyone have the same experience as me? Okay, now I already complete my morning skincare routine. Let's continue to the next step by makeup routine. The first step of my makeup routine is foundation by liquid foundation. And I don't use makeup primer before foundation. Just strictly apply foundation after sun cream. And I will blend liquid foundation with makeup sponge or makeup puff. Depend. Just before I blend, I need to spray makeup setting spray on that sponge or that puff before blending to make it more easier, more moisture, easy to blend. Okay, after foundation, then I will apply powder. And sometimes just foundation and not apply powder. Okay, anyone like that? And for powder, I like compact powder rather than loose powder because I don't feel convenient with the loose powder type because they are dusty air when we apply on our face. Okay, after powder, then I will contour my face by bronzing powder in brown color. And I contour my face, also contour my nose with that bronzing powder. If you have beautiful face shape, I think contouring is not necessary for you. And yes, if you contouring too much on your beautiful face shape, it will hide your natural beauty. So just keep it if you have the beautiful face shape. But for me, I just don't have that beautiful face shape. That's why I just do hidden to adjust to make the shape that are a bit blurred, something like that. Okay, then after contouring and highlighter, I will do eyeshadow makeup on my eyeshadow. I have applied highlighter on the highlighter area after face contouring. And the highlighter area that I apply for highlighter are on my brow bone, my cheek, my chin, and my nose bridge. And I apply this highlighter before eyeshadow makeup, before eyebrow drawing, before blusher. Okay, yes, before any other makeup. And how about you all? You will be apply highlighter after all those makeup complete or same as me? Okay, then come back to our eyeshadow makeup routine. And this is my eyeshadow makeup routine by applying with eyeshadow palette in nude brown color as per this video, and you can see my eye are in the hooded type. And yeah, for my small and hooded eye like that, I will prefer to do smoky eyeshadow makeup by contouring the deep color around the outer corner of my eyelid and add the bright color in the middle of my eyelid and contouring or do the smoky eyeliner on my lower eyelid too. Then my eyeshadow makeup will be look better. Okay, now I already complete my eyeshadow makeup, and you can try this eyeshadow makeup routine if you have the hooded eyes same as me. Okay, then I continue to the next step, and the next step is blusher. I have applied blusher on my cheek with the nude brown color, but it's not so much brown, it's just nude pink brown as per this video, and it pretty or not everyone. Okay, now I continue to eyebrow routine by firstly I need to brushing my eyebrow hair first before drawing my eyebrow with eyebrow pencil. Okay, this is how I draw my eyebrow by eyebrow pencil, and I draw my eyebrow from the tail to the beginning, and you experience this same as me or not. I just draw until it become bigger and bigger and become over the shape, something like that. Okay, then I adjust this. We can adjust this with another clean brush. Okay, same as per this video. Okay, now my eyebrow shape adjustment done, and I continue to the next step by around the eyelash area by curling my eyelash, then apply mascara, and then continue to the lip area by lip color, lipstick, liquid lipstick, matte lipstick, something like that. Okay, now on my lip, you can see it's just only lip balm. The lip balm in the light pink shade, something like that. If you don't like to apply any color, just only lip balm also look beautiful. Okay, for me, I will add on another color on my lip by matte lipstick or transfer proof lipstick, something like that. Because I need to go out, I need the color stay on my lip last long whole day, something like that. If I just apply only lip balm, it not stay last long on my lip. That's why I need to add another color on my lip. And before I apply lipstick, any lipstick, either matte lipstick or liquid lipstick, I will remove the remaining lip balm on my lip first before apply that lipstick. Okay, now I will remove that lip color. This is matte lipstick. It not stay still on my lip. Just matte finish, something like that. But the color are nice. And this one is transfer proof liquid lipstick that can be, yeah, stay still on my lip, and it's similar color to the previous matte lipstick. Okay, this is the final look of this makeup look. It just look like in the nude brown pink color on my eyeshadow makeup, on my cheek, and also on my lip. All are in nude, in pink and brown. Okay, and I don't do my hairstyle, just keep it like that. Okay, everyone, for my concept, I will do my makeup look in natural finish look like we don't do any makeup, but actually we do makeup. And this is the end of my video makeup. Thanks everyone for watching my video until the end, and saying for subscribe my channel if you are watching in YouTube, and thanks so much for you all that like and follow my Facebook page, also on my Instagram. Have a nice day everyone. Bye bye.